Hi guys, it's Sam Brown today, back with another video. Today we'll be reacting to Biaheza's video. My day trader bot doubled my money. Anyway, let's get into it. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment to enter the giveaway. Anyway, let's get into it. Video, day trading bot doubled my money. Now I saw on Instagram that he said he lost half of his money using the day trading bot, so I don't quite get this video. Haven't seen any of it yet, so yeah, let's get into it.
In last week's video, we set up a day trading robot that bought and sold currency pairs.
We
automatically trading
watched
the
that
Forex
and
markets. If
reacted
you haven't watched
to that
video,
they did quite well on this channel.
Cooler if you did.
But the outcome was that the first bot we set up took our $1,000 account and turned it into $600 overnight, so we lost 40% on that. However, the second bot we set up and gave the remaining $600 we had on the account.
Before we start, I just want to say I don't recommend this.
We let it run, and a day later, our account was hovering around $1,100.
Unless you make it yourself, unless you make the bot yourself.
Meaning that the bot essentially doubled the money in like 24 hours. So that was
that's
insane,
amazing.
But we only got to test the bot for like 2 or 3 days. So in this video, I want to follow up, explain what happened after I uploaded the video, since I had a lot of people contact me afterwards and explain how the bot works. I was also met with a little controversy after the upload, so let's dive right into all of this.
Yeah, I didn't quite agree with this video, if I'm totally honest.
Where
I don't agree with
even begin here?
day trading bots.
A nice cup of Joe and
At
a
all?
Costco Danish.
I don't think.
Seriously though, I want to address a couple of things about that last video, a few questions that sprung up, if you will. So let's start with the mild one. I had a lot of people say I should have used a program called Bootcamp that allows you to run Windows on your Mac, rather than just going out and buying a Windows laptop specifically for running the robot in the video. Fair point, I probably could have done that, but from what I've heard, that's not going to be a very,
frictionless
experience, as it can somewhat lag, and keeping my main workstation laptop plugged in and running for over a week straight just
he probably needs his own
in terms of battery
laptop.
I was also using a lot of sketchy websites and downloading files from them, so I definitely didn't want to do that on my main computer in case of viruses or whatnot, which actually perfectly segues us into the much bigger question of why did I not link the second profitable bot in the description of the last video. Turns out there was a lot of people who wanted the name of the bot, which I mean is fair, it doubled the money in the video, but not only did I get bombarded with emails, DMs, and comments about the bot name, there was also a lot of people claiming that the video was rigged, that I was trying to keep it to myself.
Way out of pocket.
All kinds of wacky
I don't think it was rigged.
I did not disclose the bot
I
name.
don't agree
So
with
let's
that.
get into that. One of the reasons was similar to why I didn't want to install anything on my main computer. I was using some weird websites. I don't want to put a link in the description.
Yeah, guys,
what it's for.
Yeah, this is why I don't recommend it. The websites, everything that comes along with trading bots is just dodgy as. Like, you don't get much dodgier in the trading world. I really don't recommend it.
And then be the reason that you guys get hacked or have some virus on your computers. But the other thing was, we only tested the bot for 2 or 3 days, and in that time we almost doubled the money. To me, that felt a little too good to be true. I mean, here I was
you got to test it over a longer period of time.
Marketing, not sleeping for the last 2 or 3 years, hustling in e-commerce to make that coin, when really I should have just been doubling my money every day in my sleep. I wasn't buying it. I figured there's no way this can be true, but I'm gonna continue testing it, and if it's true, then I gotta
I'm kind of interested to see how it goes.
But until then, I didn't want to drop the link, because someone could watch my video, see that I doubled my money in like 2 days, go all in with their savings and use the same bot. But what happens if they lose that money? I kind of put them onto that bot, so although legally speaking, I'm not responsible.
He's not responsible.
I still feel kind of
legally,
bad, so that's why I held off on revealing the bot.
there is kind of some moral
important
issue there, isn't there? If people do lose that money.
Is locked down right now.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
No, but that brings us to what happened with the bot the following days after the video went live. So on Friday, it continued fluctuating around 1,100 in total equity, but at this point, all of the open trades combined equal to around negative $1,000. But that was being balanced out by the positive trades the bot closed. So I decided to close all of the open trades in the account, which would leave our total at 1,100, and restart the bot the following week, since leaving the trades open over the weekend when the Forex market is closed is pretty sketchy, as it can open at a crazy price and wipe out the account. So I ran a script that was able to automatically close all of them before the market closed. Now,
I've got to say, he's done quite well to learn all of this and learn how to use it, to be fair.
I go to sleep that night, wake up the next morning, check my magical money doubling day trading robot setup, only to find out that we lost around 90% of the account overnight, like an $800 or $900 loss.
You naughty, you teasing me, you naughty.
So this
90% is crazy.
Then lost it all on a different one. If you're into those kinds of odds, boy, do I have a game for you. Given that this bot played out this way, I'm glad I didn't link it in the description of that last video, because people
That
could
is
have
so
saw the
dodgy.
100% gains, put some money into it, and I mean, why would you not? But they would end up blowing the entire portfolio the way I did, and they might not have a YouTube channel that funds their gambling trading. Anyways, that Monday, I put out an update on my Instagram to explain the situation, and now that I was
this is
able
what
to
I
show both
saw.
sides of the story, I also revealed the bot name, because at that point, you saw me lose 90% of the portfolio because of the bot, so if you want to use it, that's
Oh yeah,
but then
I
I
saw
also
this.
posted a poll asking if anyone knows of any other bots that have worked for them in the past. Because here's the thing, there was people in the comment section of that video and even members of the day trading community who reached out to me after I uploaded and basically told me that, hey,
Yeah, I'm sure there's lots of bots that do work. You've just gotta. It's just about finding them, and he's very lucky that he's got all these followers he can get some advice from. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say to that
hey,
one.
the type of bot you're using, risky business, it can work for a couple days, even maybe a couple weeks, but then blow your whole account in a single night. Which, hey, what do you know, they weren't wrong, and a lot of the same people also said that there are bots that can work, but none of this 100% returns in a day talk, so if they called me blowing my account, then maybe they're right about there being profitable bots out there, which is why I put up that poll on my Instagram, because I want to continue the search for a profitable bot. But it's currently Tuesday, you guys did not disappoint as expected. Most of the replies were in fact trolling. Someone suggested I use the Garrisol bot, which is the one that lost 90% on Monday. But the two most popular suggestions were, first of all, R2-D2, which is a fictional robot from Star Wars. And the second one was an actual day trading bot by Blue Edge Financial called Titan G7. So I'm here on their website and they have an affiliate program, which is maybe why it was suggested so many times, not sure. But in order to get access to this Titan G7 bot, you actually have to buy Blue Edge Financial's full Forex course. They don't just sell the bot separately, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm gonna have to go ahead and cop the $300 course to get access to the bot.
Jeez, that's a lot.
And this website says that the bot trades upon an indicator called the Bank's Secret Indicator, which Bank's Secret Indicator sounds a little fishy. The course
Sounds
also includes some
sketchy
sort
to
of
me, if
tax
I'm
fraud
honest.
section, so that's pretty neat. But I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this thing. It's apparently supposed to be a long-term bot, so it's not gonna open up like 1,000 trades in one day like the previous bot we used did. And with that, I transferred another $1,000 worth of Bitcoin into the brokerage, from there into the MC4 account.
He's
And at that point,
dedicated,
I
because
went
this is
ahead
probably
and went
losing
through
him
with the
quite a lot,
purchasing
really.
process of this bot. It turns out
I know he
it
makes a
wasn't
lot of money on
$300, but in
YouTube,
fact
but
$147 per month. I paid for the first month, which gave me access to the
150
client
bucks a
area.
month.
Here they had instructions on how to install the bot using a virtual private server. I just wanted to use it on my laptop, so they actually had an option for that, where I downloaded the bot onto my computer. I installed it into the data folder of my MC4 program. There's 7 total bots, and they are each currency pair specific. So I set them up according to the parameters on their website, and I chose the most aggressive option, which I believe means that every trade is going to be executed using 1.5% of your total account, and with that, I let it run. Now,
quite a
there
lot.
were actually a few other bot suggestions from the Instagram poll, so I'll go ahead and put some of them up in case you guys want to do your own research on some of them. I'm not associated with the one I installed or any of these on the screen. Please exercise caution and use them at your own risk.
Don't use any of these, honestly.
The results are in.
And before we get into these results, a couple of things here. I actually had someone message me and explain how the bot that blew the account on Monday works, and apparently it's just based on the RSI indicator, which from what I've heard is not really the move. Also, there was people who brought up the point of why would
This is the thing. You need to be. I'd say you need to be. You need to know why the bots are making these decisions, and how likely and how risky these moves are, because he got quite lucky on the first day and he doubled his money. Then the next he lost 90% of it. So it's obviously unpredictable,
would
and
anyone sell a bot if it works?
it's just
With
luck.
other online businesses, you have to put in a lot of work to make them successful, so a course type of thing does make sense, but if you have a bot that is actually profitable, can't you just keep on compounding your money and growing it exponentially without much effort once it's set up? So that's an interesting point.
let's
I'm
see.
curious to see what you guys think about that. But my main purpose with this video was almost like a cautionary type of thing. I feel like I had to follow up and show the other side of bot trading, since I only got to show the positive
it is
side in the
quite
last
dodgy.
video, which isn't really fair, but it's the way the video played out. And as we saw earlier this week, it's not a secret way to get rich overnight. And after 2 days of using this new bot, I can tell this one is a lot more tame, which is nice, but we didn't make money. We have a $6 loss trade closed, and the open trades are currently hovering around negative $20, but I do like how this bot is slower, not as risky, so I'm probably going to put some more money into it, because I feel like this one will not as likely blow the entire account in a day. And I'm paying like $140 a month for it, so I kind of need to have more money on the line so I can make more than what I pay for the bot monthly.
Yeah, it's
if
not
I
worth it at the
continue doing
moment
so. But
with
it's
only
not reaction
1,000.
tagged. I don't know. I'm gonna try to test it for a while before I make
This kind of bot is for people who have 10,000 a month to invest, which is crazy. I know. Yeah, he's crazy to do it without. I know he's got other people on Instagram telling him to do it, but without seeing somebody else actually doing it, I think he's crazy to invest in. I guess it makes a good video, but
update on it since
he's
so many people
crazy.
requested it. I feel like there's some hype around this bot. I might continue updating you guys on all of this on my Instagram, so I don't have to dedicate a whole nother YouTube video to it. Although maybe I will with one way down the line when I have a lot more data gathered from this
Yeah,
bot.
I'd like to see that in a few months. See like another video.
So this last 1 minute of the video is just a quick channel update. I had a lot of questions come up on that Instagram poll I put up asking for robot names that weren't.
Okay guys, I'm gonna stop there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm coming back with a really good video in a few days. I'm gonna walk a marathon around my garden and see how much money I make on Sweatcoin. Because I've got so much time. So I've downloaded Sweatcoin and I'm gonna use it and see how much money I make by walking a marathon. Okay, anyway guys, thank you for watching and bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.